again guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about a makeup tutorial of Mikasa Ackerman from Attack on Titan or Shingeki no Kyojin. So first off, I was thinking of using my natural hair for this cosplay. So I'm just working it out and see if I can use my own hair, but it seems that it's quite thinner than I imagined, so I need it to be a bit fuller. So in the end, I might just go ahead and use a wig. Although to warn you, the wig that I'll be using is a low grade, no branded wig. Right, so just first, like all makeup tutorials, pull your hair back and moisturize your face for a good canvas. Let it dry and make sure that you get all the nooks and crannies of your face for your makeup to adhere better. Up next is my primer photo from an online seller that I got, and just mix it on your face. Now I noticed I still have some nail polish on from my last cosplay video, so I'm using skin proof nail polish remover to clean up the color off my nails. So this has a matte finish, the primer. Of course, I tried time to put on our contact lenses, and Mikasa has gray eyes, so I'm using gray contact lenses from the previous video of my Kaneki cosplay. And put on some foundation, or here I'm using a cushion cream from Laneige. I don't quite know how to properly pronounce it, so, but I really like it because it gives off a very smooth and flawless finish. Right, get all that in, and never forget to put some on your neck as well, so that will have a cohesive color on your face and on your neck. And now it's time to line your eyebrows. I'm just using a local brand, and it's in the dark gray shade to line my eyebrows. So I didn't color my eyebrows because since Mikasa has back hair, I don't need to. Just make sure you get that art on your eyebrow. But it seems like, based on the picture, she has sort of this like straight eyebrows, but I'm not really a fan of thin eyebrows, so I'll just layer it on top of my own, no matter how thick it is. I like to use my hands and my fingers a lot when putting on makeup because it's like I have a better feel for it, but for my brows, make sure to use a brush in order to fill in the gaps and to blend it all together. Also, to clean the edges, you can use a bit of concealer to get that more precise look at the end. And for the eyeshadow, let's just use neutral shades like your skin tone color and browns and light browns, because she's quite simple. I mean, think of Mikasa fighting all the time, so she doesn't have that much time, or she doesn't need to put a lot of makeup on her face. So just keep it simple, but make sure to keep the eyes expressive because she has these huge eyes with thick eyelashes. So in order to have this bigger eyes, I'm going to line my eyes and make sure that I have a wing tip to make my eyes look bigger. For me, the hardest part of doing my makeup is my eyes because it's hard to perfect it. Don't you hate it when you've done a great wing on one eye and then you don't get the same result on the other eye? That happens to me all the time, and it's really quite annoying, so you'll see a lot of undoing this part. So I just use a cotton bud dip with some makeup remover to adjust the errors that I've made. And so I'll try to perfect it as much as I could. How about you? Which is the hardest part of doing your makeup for you? Did I ask that right? I hope you know what I mean or what I'm asking. Next is curling my eyelashes in preparation for the mascara. So initially I thought that my mascara would do the trick and to thicken my eyelashes, but since I was born with such thin and short eyelashes, all my dreams are shattered. So that means I must use big eyelashes in order to achieve the Mikasa eye look that I wanted. So just skip ahead because I'll be putting fake lashes, which is wrong by the way. You have to put fake lashes on first before applying your mascara. So anywho, here they are, and just apply some tacking glue eyelash glue on them. Pardon the intrusion. I live along the road, so it's quite loud with all those cars passing by and kicking around. So I need a closer view, that's why I have the mirror right up to me while putting on these eyelashes. Gluing them on takes a lot of effort, especially if you have eyes like mine. So success, I was able to put on 2 of them, and now to apply some more eyeliner to link the gap between my eyelashes and the previous liner that I blended, so that I won't have this like skin color patches in between. So these are quite heavy, so I'll just push them out and blend my mascara in. Finally, I can powder up my face. Just use some cotton tips in order to remove any mistakes. Now, to do off my lips, I apply some concealer on my top lip because it's very thick and fat. I know most girls would want this, but in order to achieve the anime look, you need to have thinner upper lips and thick lower lips. So just dab off and put on some nude shade lippy. Here it's Yuri 9. And I don't put it fully on my lips because I want thicker upper lips again. I just start off at the middle and do my bottom lips in order to have that faded effect. You know the Korean gradient look that's going on? That's what I want to achieve. So I'm layering on a darker pinkish shade, my bad, to give off a gradient look. And just using my Kanama tips, just blending it out to make it more natural. And applying brows at the middle of my lips in order to make it stand out. Right, so it doesn't look much on the video, but I promise you in photos it will look natural. Okay, and I'm applying some highlight on the covered, concealed part of my lips in order to fake the look that is where my lips are starting from. Again, I feel like I should put color in order to define my drawn lips. That's fine, so I'll just be putting on some skin tone powder on my upper lip just to conceal it more. Okay, and now to add a little bit of gloss because I just covered it with powder. And now let's do the cheeks. Now, putting on blush is very important because we've already established a foundation so that would give you pale skin. We don't want to go for that since class is fighting all the time. She needs to have blush cheeks or red cheeks. To set your makeup in, put on some translucent powder of your liking and brush it on liberally and fix your hair. I have to put on my wig. Oh, and this is the primer spray. It's also a setting spray for my makeup. So here at first I still wanted to try out if my hair would do the trick, but no, so I ended up still putting on the wig. So the wig, once again, don't forget to comb your wig because we don't like frizzy wigs here, although that's a bit hard to say because the wig that I am using is quite frizzy because it is unbranded. So just work with it. Do what you need to do. Put in some wig moisturizer, comb it out, adjust it to your liking. You know, if you don't give it a lot of love, then you won't get what you want. It won't give you back the love that you need. It's weird to say that with a wig. Anyway, just keep on adjusting and fixing it to your liking. You know, I live in a very hot country. It is very tropical and sunny here. Most of the time, we only got 2 seasons, sun and rain. So imagine me wearing these outfit. Like I have a long sleeve shirt and then a jacket and then a cloak on top of it. And then of course wearing on the wig. It is quite hot, so it's hard, but you know, I do it because I love it. So this is the end result. Hope you like it. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe if you love this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day, guys. Bye.
Look really intimidating until I smile check.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Haven't slept for a solid 83 hours, but yeah, I'm good.
You should go to bed.
I can't go to bed.
Boom, boom.